Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. My boy Desi had this Milwaukee. Left it somewhere and it got moisture in there and it rusted up inside the head. So I'm going to take these 4 Torx out. Looks like T15. See if I can pull this head off. I'm going to soak this head in PB Blaster penetrant oil. See if I can get it to unlock. I was thinking about taking that clip ring off, but I'll do that as a last resort. I think that clip ring might just let this stud be removed so that can be replaced. So let's see if those 4 screws will get this head off of here. They are T10s. Here's mine. Works fine. Battery has 2 light charge. I'm gonna put it in that one. See if we can even see the battery charge. Yeah, we can see the battery charge, but we can hear the strain on it when we try to operate it. So let me take these last 2 screws out, see what's going on. Taking those 4 screws out didn't let that loose. It's got more screws down the body there. I don't want to take the whole tool apart. So I'm going to put those back in. I'm going to dunk the head in some PB Blaster, probably up to this part of the neck, and let it soak for an hour, see what happens. Break out the PB Blaster, soaking the head of that thing in there. I'm gonna do something else over here on Panther and come back to that. Took a pair of pliers, twisted the back of it a couple times until that freed up. Then I turned it on, ran it back and forth different directions. Now it's working. Lil'Red is back and it is having ECC issues. I don't think it's defrosting properly or just this driver's side blend motor is not working properly. It's blowing cold all the time. So, I'm going to turn the ECC on. I just hit defrost. And it is blowing the air up there. Not so much on the passenger side as it is the driver's side. Cut the AC off. Open these vents. Now I'm gonna take it to face vent. It is blowing the face vent. Take them both to full hot. Passenger side is blowing hot. Driver side is blowing a little cool. It is not going full hot like the passenger side is. So my guess is the blend motor's bad. I'm gonna take it to full cold. Passenger side is cold, driver side is the same. So I'm gonna see if I got a blend motor, plug it in down there, see if the one I plug in moves. If so, I'll just replace the blend motor, be done with this. Don't even have to hook up my machine there. So let's see what's going on there. I got this other motor plugged in. It looks like it is working. The one that's in there is probably not. When I turn this thing to full hot, it starts to turn right away. When I flip it to full cold, it turns right over to cold. Since it's on cold now, I'm going to leave it there, cut the car off, pull the other motor, install this one. It was easy getting that first screw out. Getting the next two out, that pump thing's in the way, so I pulled the screw out of the end of it, pushed it up toward the roof of the car. It came out of its bracket. Now that thing can kind of be moved out of the way so that I can get at these other two screws up here. Can't get to those screws with this thing in the way. So I'm gonna unplug that vacuum line, let that hang, put that back together after I get to the two screws. Got everything back in place. Oh, I need to plug that hose in on the back of that. I got the motor in, all three screws, and I got the wire plugged in. So let me hook up that vacuum hose and give this thing a quick test. Alright, it is blowing cool air. Let's flip it over to hot air. Hot air both sides. It is on and cracking. Elizabeth is going to have heat this winter. She forgot to tell me this before, but fortunately she told me this time. So we got that set. She should be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.